Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is.
On Amazon you will get a number of different products. But we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Nullify. Made in USA. 2.5 inches by 5 inches engraving plate. Solid hardwood alder case. Solid hardwood alder case. Operates on 1 hour battery. Not included.
The number 3 on the list is.
Choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Wood. Made in USA or imported. Plays one of 19 well-known melodies on the hour or quarterly. Or choose the traditional Westminster chime. Automatic night shut-off feature and on/off switch for full control. Dimensions. 16.9 inches high by 12.1 inches wide and 4.96 inches deep. 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 Deep.
The number 2 on the list is.
Nullify. Imported. Solid wood case. Old world walnut finish. Westminster melody on the hour. Revolving pendulum. 2.5 by 0.5 engraving plate included. H. 11.5 W. 8.25 D. 5.
The number 1 on the list is.
This product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Bent hardwood case. Protective convex lens. Click on video to hear the actual chimes in the clock. Choice of 3 chiming options. Volume control and night silence feature. Adjustable volume control and automatic night shut-off switch. Operates on 1 hour battery and 2 C batteries. Not included. 1 year limited manufacturers. Power source type. Battery operated.